Guys, welcome to the personal property tour for Willow Cottage in Collessie. Wow, 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 and I'll stick another wow on here as well because it is absolutely gorgeous. This is where it is in Collessie itself. This is village life at its best. Let me flip around the camera and show you. Come off the main road here up the driveway, and then you come into your driveway in here. Now the village green is just over this bit. There's a wee nice tranquil stream that runs along on the wall all the way around there in the perimeter, and it's an ideal location, as we'll see further up, to sit and just relax and just hear that, for that, just that absolutely relaxing atmosphere all the way throughout. So what have I got on offer? This is it here. It's a huge corner plot this sits on. 4 bedrooms, 2 receptions, 4 bathrooms, shower rooms, on a massive corner plot overlooking the village green. The double garage, as I said, it's a big property. Wait till you see out the back garden as well. And it sits in the sun all day long at the various parts of the place. Up and over, electric doors to the front on the garage, space to park, maybe a gymnasium next to it, or maybe a workshop inside, or maybe just want the double garage in itself. Gate to the side there to get to the rear garden. There's also a gate to the other side. This is where it's perfect from afternoon onwards to evening. You could sit there all day long and just listen to that tranquil sound from the river itself. Now there's an easy access ramp here as well into the house from the side, and then you can just go into the front door as well. But immediately as you walk in, you see beautiful welcome and reception area into the hall. Off to my right hand side, we've got the double doors leading into the sitting room. Good size this. Windows on 3 sides. Plenty of natural light coming in here. Love that fireplace. As we go right round to the patio doors going out to the rear garden. And you've got understairs cupboard as well for storage. You can get a sneak peek at the patio at the rear garden. We're going to go out there later on, so hang in there. We'll be there towards the end as we go through. But I'm sure you'll agree so far, it's definitely the one for somebody out there. It's definitely going to be. Into our first bedroom, which is a downstairs bedroom. It's currently utilised as a home office area. So when you take all that out, you probably easily get a double bed either over that way or towards this way, and then you had easy access to have a tall boy over there as well, or a wardrobe of drawers or that. And then across, as we look downstairs, you've got your first of your shower rooms. Thermostatic shower over there, but you can see the tiling. Really nice finish. And all that chrome, spotless. It's like a show home. Now, before we go into the dining room and off into the big, wait till you see this kitchen. Wow. We're going to nip upstairs and see the 3 further bedrooms and bathroom shower rooms. 2 of them are en suite. Now, across to my left hand side, first of all, this one is utilised as a library just now, and you can see the writing desk over there. So it gives you sort of gives you perspective of the proportion when you see, because most people know what size of the writing desks are. So it shows you how deep and wide this property is itself in terms of this room. But good size, I'm sure you'd agree. Off into the upper landing. Again, that's a really good size in there. Plenty of space. And there's one thing that's got plenty of storage, plenty of space, plenty of shower rooms, just all round absolutely gorgeous. First bathroom here. So if bath's your thing, you've got a bathroom as well. So this is the main bathroom. Again, you can see it's finished extremely well. One of the main master bedrooms here. Kind of split between 2 of them, which one is the master bedroom, but they're both just brilliant. And you've got that, what I love about it is that wall-to-wall wardrobe off the back. And that's when I said about, you know, plenty of storage. You've also got windows either side, so you bring in a lot of natural light. And then, first of your ensuite shower rooms. Again, you can see that similar finish all the way throughout. And across to my left-hand side, we've got the final double bedroom in there. The windows either side bringing in the natural light. plenty of space for that freestanding mirror wardrobe. And then the final ensuite shower room. So thermostatic shower, all of them. Plenty of chrome, plenty of shiny surfaces. Just looks gorgeous. Okay, let's pop downstairs then and let you see the dining room. So we're going to go into the dining room next. Right across from me. So you immediately see there's plenty of space there for 4 chairs, but I mean, there's a freestanding bookcases. If you take that away, you could easily get a table out there, maybe get 10, possibly even 12 people right across there for entertaining at Christmas and New Year and that. And then what I love about this, and really, you know, I love this, is the actual dining kitchen area, the breakfast kitchen. It's a huge size. Look at that. That's about the size of my first flat. That is massive. Let me just show you a better way around here. That beautiful display cabinet has become round. Then you've got that double sink. And then dishwasher's just under here. Oven hob, well, an extractor, so you've got the double oven over there as well. And your breakfast bar here. And preparation area, wine rack to the side. And then huge space there for a freestanding American style fridge freezer, if that's what you were looking for. Off into the laundry. So that's where the hot water, there's a big massive hot water tank in there, hot water cylinder, but the main boiler is out in the garage, in the back of the double garage. And again, you've got that similar theme with the dual sink there and space for your wash machine. I'll just leave you with this at a different angle for the kitchen. And then we can go out the back door. So, first thing I notice when you go out the back door, if I stay quiet for a minute, is extremely tranquil. You can just hear the birds. That's literally it. It's very, very private here as well. There is no one overlooking you here. And that's where you sit. First thing in the morning, nice cup of coffee. Perfect place to sit, because that's where the sun comes up just over here. And then as it travels around during the day, you've got the perfect place to sit there. And then it comes on around to here, south facing's about here, and then it goes on to the front of the property from the afternoon to the evening. There's the double garage, you can get the door out, the access out the back, into the back of the garage, and also the gate to the side to get to the front again. And there's a path that leads all the way around there to that other side of the gate, and I'll show you that once we go up into the garden. Now what I love about this garden, it's just gorgeous. It's just nice, well landscaped. It's beautifully landscaped. Now that retaining wall was built about 11, 12 years ago, and it's so picturesque, I think the words I'm looking for. Beautifully. Interestingly enough, one of the facts, I think, was Collessie has the most original thatched roofs for a village. There's one just over there. So the sun's going to be on here, right here actually. So as you come round towards the middle of the morning and then to the afternoon, and it just crosses over there, and towards the evening it comes down over there onto here as well. But you've got everywhere in this property you can sit somewhere to take advantage of that. Huge bit of area to the side there. And then there's that path that goes all the way around the side to the side gate itself. But I'm sure you'd agree it's a massive property inside. It could make the perfect family home for someone. Village life, if you're living in the city right now, you just think, the kids need somewhere else to grow up. This is it. This is it, definitely. So let's walk down and recap, and I'll take a seat. Best thing to do is just take a seat and I'll tell you all about it for people who don't know anything about Collessie. What is Collessie? Where is it? What is it all about to me? You're asking. Well, Collessie is an idyllic hamlet in the northeast of Fife. The village retains much of its original character and has a number of traditional 17th to 18th century houses. In recent years, some of the older houses have actually been re-roofed with traditional thatch, as you can see. Local services and facilities are on hand in the villages of Letham. Take my glasses off, because it's sunny. Letham, Ladybank and Uchtermurty, with a wider offering available in the bustling Cooper market town of Cooper itself. Now, Cooper's about 6 miles away, and that's where the high school is as well, also where the swimming pool, and you've also got a rail station. As well as the rail station in Cooper, Ladybank is just 3 miles away, but they've got a rail station as well, and Leuchars 13 miles away, and Markinch 9 miles away. So there's plenty of access and for commuting. You can also go into the M90 via Milnathorpe Bridge of Earn. If you want to get into Perth, it's round about 19 miles away. Dundee's round about 18 miles away. Edinburgh's round about 41 miles away. And St Andrews, the historic home of golf, and the renowned university town of St Andrews is round about 15 to 16 miles away as well. So everything seems to be really easy access to get where you're going, especially if you're wanting to get back to Edinburgh Airport, which is round about the 40 to 41 miles as well. So, if lifestyle is your choice, and village life, a thriving village hall apparently, Spanish night coming up, I've been told, and this is going to be the thing for you. Perfect village family life out in the countryside, tranquility, relaxation. What more could you ask for? There's more details on this post. You can click on the link above or below to see the photographs and read the description and the measurements. If you need more details, you can contact us on 01334 65 42 21, or you can message us direct on this post as well. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.